In this video, I'll show you how to install Shopify theme, which comes in zip format. As an example, let me go to GitHub and download Dawn theme version 13.0.1. And right here, there's an option to download zip file. Now let's go ahead and open the directory where the file has been downloaded. It's right here, version 13.0.1, zip format. Now let's open Shopify admin, click on online store. Then select themes. And once on the theme library page right here, click on add theme and then select upload zip file. Open the directory and drag the file right in here. It has to be less than 50 megabytes. Then click upload file. Usually, depending on theme, it will take a minute or so to install. So let's wait a bit. Perfect. So the theme has been installed. Now, of course, you can go ahead and customize it. And then once it's all done, just go ahead and just publish it on your store. And there's one more thing I would like to mention. If you've purchased your theme from marketplaces like Theme Forest, the theme which you download may come prepackaged with sample images, documentation, and template files. And oftentimes, if you try to upload that main file to Shopify, it will show you an error. So in such case, what you need to do is download the theme file to your local computer, unzip it, and then you'll probably be able to find another theme file which comes in zip format, and that's what you have to upload to Shopify. So that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.